Maito is getting ready for tomorrow. Fully charged na yung boat battery. Sa McDonald's there. That's my toy. It's a motel. Now we're here now. We're planning to sleep on the truck, but mommy said her anniversary, so why work means